Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We're still in topic 13, and today's lesson number 3. Draw three-dimensional shape. Let's start. Please open your book, page 569.
Draw a polygon with three sides that are the same length. Then, draw a polygon with three sides that are different lengths. Measure the lengths of the sides you drew. Tell 4 ways the shapes are alike.
Remember, we talked about the polygon, and we said the polygon shape, it's a plane shape that it has 3 or more sides, and these sides are straight. So over here, draw a polygon with 3 sides. I know the shape with the 3 sides is triangle, yes. So with different lengths, and one with the same different length and one with the same length. So over here we can just draw a triangle that 3 sides are the same length. So we can choose any measurement units, centimeters on inch, and make sure that the 3 lines are the same length. And then the second part over here, we can draw a triangle that 2 of the sides are the same length and one either shorter or longer. All right, let's watch our video.
Let's draw a polygon with 5 vertices. If you know the number of vertices for a polygon, do you also know the number of sides? Yes, the number of vertices is the same as the number of sides. The polygon will have 5 vertices and 5 sides. Let's draw a pentagon. Think, how do you know the shape is a pentagon? The shape is a pentagon because it has 5 sides and 5 vertices. Now let's draw a polygon with 4 sides that are the same length. A polygon with 4 sides is a quadrilateral. This quadrilateral has sides that are the same length. Are these shapes quadrilaterals? Select your answer.
Right? So we know that the numbers of sides or the numbers of vertices help us to find the name of the shape. So I know that quadrilateral means 4 sides. So let's count the 4 sides of the shapes and we see if they have 4 less or more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the green one is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the purple, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the red, the blue, 1, 2, 3, 4. So each shape have different sides.
Yes, these shapes are quadrilaterals, but they do not have sides that are the same length. This is a special kind of quadrilateral called a rhombus. Can you draw another polygon with 4 sides that are the same length? A square is a polygon with 4 sides of equal length. A square is another special type of quadrilateral. Now you know how to draw polygons with sides that are the same length.
So now we know that the polygon is a straight sides for a shape that it has to close. Now we have different one, and we learned that some of the shapes could have equal size or 2 are equals. All right, let's go to our guided practice on page 570 and see what we have. All right, draw each shape, complete the sentence. Draw a polygon with 3 vertices. So 3 vertices or 3 sides. So I look at it, I know that this polygon has 3 sides. So this is triangle. Let's use. So you're gonna go trace the dots. count the sides. 1, 2, 3. So, and I know that the shape with 3 sides is triangle. So let's put this down. This is my shape, has 3 sides, and it's triangle. All right, let's go for number 2. Draw a polygon with 6 sides. I know 6 mean hexagon, right? Let me see. Here's a different color. So I'm going to draw a straight line. And I know that hexagons have 6 angles and 6 sides. So let's count my sides and my angles. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these are my angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's put this down. So the polygon also has 6 angles. So I'm going to write 6. And I'm going to write the name of my shape, hexagon. So let's write hexagon. All right. So today we learned that a polygon could have vertices and sides, and we can tell the name of the shape by counting the sides and the vertices. We also learned that rhombus and squares are special because they have 4 sides, 4 angles. Some of them have, like the rhombus have 2 sides are the same size, and the square is special that the 4 sides have the same length. All right, I'll leave you the rest of the activity on your book, page 571 and 572. That's it for today, second graders. Thank you. Hello, second graders, welcome to a new math lesson. Please get your book ready, page 573, and let's start our new lesson, lesson 4, our topic 13, cubes. So today we're going to learn about new shape cube. Let's see what we have.
Describe the two shapes in 4 or more ways. Tell how they are different and how they are the same. Use a tool to include measurements in your description.
All right. So when I describe a shape like that, I can look at lots of points to mention it. I can look at the color, for example. I can look at if they have the equal side, if they have how many sides, what's the length of the side. I can also count the angles or the vertices. So could be a way to describe any shape. All right, let's go for our video.
This is a solid figure. How is a solid figure different from a plane shape? A solid figure has many faces. It is three-dimensional, not flat. A cube is a solid figure with 6 equal faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Each face is a square with 4 equal edges and 4 right angles. Which shape is not a cube?
Select your answer.
These are cubes. These are not cubes. Why is the green shape not a cube? Why is the yellow shape not a cube? On the green shape, the faces are not all the same size. The yellow shape is not a solid figure or three-dimensional shape. It is a plane shape or two-dimensional. You can use dot paper to draw a cube. The dashed lines show the edges that you can't see when you look at a solid cube. How does the dot paper help you draw a cube? The dot paper helps you to draw straight lines, and it helps to draw lines in the right direction. How many edges do you draw in all? You draw 12 edges in all.
Now you know how to draw cubes and describe how they look.
All right. So as we say, today's lesson talking and learning about cube. Now we know that cube is a solid figure that has 6 equal faces and 12 edges and 8 vertices. Having a dotted lines like this help you to draw the cubes and help you to visualize or imagine that hidden line in the back over here. Also, we know that each face of the cube is a square and it has 4 equal edges and 4 right angles. So that's why the other shapes that we have, it was not like the green. It was not cubes because it was not a cube because two sides are different. The size of two sides are different than the other sides. And also the yellow one was a flat shape or square that it's not three-dimensional. All right. Let's go to our guided practice, page 574, and see the fun activity that we have. All right, circle the cubes in the group of shapes. Be ready to explain how you know they are cubes. So remember, we know cubes have 6 equal squares or 6 equal faces. They also have 12 edges and 8 vertices. So I know that the green one, all the sides are equal, so that would be 1 cube. This is not a cube because I know that the sides are not the same. That's not a cube, that's a pyramid. That's not a cube. Yes, this is a cube. Awesome. Now use the dot paper and draw a cube. Okay, so first, I'm gonna draw a square, and then I draw the line. And now I have a cube. Let me just go over this part in a different color. All right. Don't worry, you can take your time, try again and have fun. All right. So today's lesson was really easy, learning about solid figure, that cube that has 6 equal faces with 12 edges and 8 vertices. All right. And also we learned that each face is a square with 4 equal edges, as you see. All right. I'll leave you with the rest of the activity on your book, page 575 and 576. Thank you.